3D align tool. I have a two sliced object and it is placed like this. If it is exactly the same plane, you can just move and you can place it, or you can use 3D align tool. Go to the home tab and here it is 3D align tool. Select the tool and select the object, enter, specify the base point. Now I select the base point, the first point here, the second point here and third point here. Remember where we selected the first point. Here I select first point, second point, third point. So similar way we need to place the destination point. This is the destination point, first point, and the second destination point and the third destination point. Now it is aligned to that object. Control Z and you can use copy also in this align. If you go to the align tool and select the object, enter, we have an option for copy. I just click this copy and now we can specify the base point. Here I am going to select this point and this is the second base point and this is the third base point. Now we need to place our destination point and this is our first destination and the second destination and this is the third destination. Now this object copied and aligned to this object. Now if you want to make this one a single object, just go to union and select the both object, enter. Now it is converted to single object. This is the way to use 3D align in AutoCAD 3D.